Yeah. Now, what is the difference between FDI and FII? So, FDI means that a foreign investor, generally an MNC, can invest in a country, say India, for bringing technology, manufacturing, or both. Okay, so construction of some infrastructure, road, railway, power project, or providing certain services like banking, insurance, shipping, aviation, these all. FDI means the foreign investor wishes to invest in the country with a long term objective of staying in country, manufacturing in country, and making profit, sending part of the profit to the its parent company, and thus spreading its operation globally. Hence, definition of FDI is most stable and preferred for the foreign capital that stay in country for a long period of time. Next is foreign portfolio investment. Foreign institutional investment is means that foreign investor invest in country, say India, by way of investing in the stock market and buying share and bonds of Indian company with the sole objective of making short term goals. So there are the short term goals also. Okay, thus the by definition portfolio investment may be volatile in nature and is called hot money. It is known as hot money because it is the volatile in nature. It is volatile and it is known as hot money and has a tendency to fly out from the country if the stock market is not profitable. Okay, thus it is also called the fly by night capital. What is known as fly by night capital? Okay, so all purpose of short term investment as against FDI, and FDI is for the long term and it is stable also. So FII is not only short term but also unstable and has the potential to create financial turbulence also. But it is mandatory that foreign investor, particularly FIIs like pension fund, investor in trust companies, asset management company, insurance company, mutual fund, have to register themselves within the SEBI before they can invest in Indian stock market. So foreign individual investors have also been permitted to invest in the Indian stock market, but these have to be qualified individual investor. Okay, so what is the FDI? FDI is also merits against the FII because it brings the resources, it brings the technology, it promotes the export and trade. Okay, it promotes the employment, generates the employment, it's promote the entrepreneurship talent, it's promote the productivity and streamline backward and forward linkages and bring state of the art information network also. So this is the difference between FDI and FII.